Hi Pasha, where are you going?
Oh, hello Aisha. I'm going out to buy some color pencils and a drawing book to practice drawing.
Why don't you practice drawing on the computer?
Really? Is it possible on the computer?
Yes, you can practice drawing on the computer.
Wow, interesting. Can you tell me more about the computer?
Yes, sure Pasha. A computer is an electronic machine that is designed to do multiple tasks at the same time without making any mistakes.
Does a computer ever get tired?
No Pasha, a computer is a machine. It never gets tired or bored like human beings.
Oh, that's why the computer is said to be a unique machine. Right, Aisha?
Yes, Pasha. The computer is very fast and accurate and can do many tasks at the same time. That's why it is called as a special machine.
Tell me, what all does a computer do for us?
We can draw, play games, watch movies and so on.
Wow, so many things. Does that mean a computer is superior to human beings?
No, Pasha. A computer is not superior to us because it's a machine. It is not able to make decisions on its own.
Tell me more about the differences between computers and human beings.
Humans can take their own decisions using their brain, but a computer cannot make decisions on its own. Human beings need food to work, while computers need electricity to work. A human being gets tired and needs rest after work, while a computer never gets tired and can work longer. A human being is slow in calculating numbers, but a computer calculates much faster.
Thank you, Aisha. Now I know the differences between a human being and a computer. I have seen that our computers in school are large and kept on tables. But I have seen my father using a small computer which he puts on his lap. He also carries it to office.
Yes, Pasha. Computers are of different types such as desktop computers, laptop computers and palm-top computers. This computer is called desktop computer. This computer is not portable, which means they cannot be carried along easily. These are mostly used in offices and schools. The computer that your father uses is a laptop. It looks like a small briefcase and it can be carried easily. You know, Pasha, nowadays there are even more advanced models of laptops called notebooks. These are just like laptops but are lighter in weight. Pasha, there are even smaller computers which can fit into your palm. These are called palm-top computers. It can be placed inside your pocket.
Thank you, Aisha. Now I know all about computers.
Let us summarize what you have learnt in this video.